We are at the mouth of the Niagara River. The Niagara River flows into Lake Ontario. The land you see on the other side of the river is New York, and that is Fort Niagara. To the left of us, this is Lake Ontario, the last of the Great Lakes, before it hits the St. Lawrence River and out to the ocean. I'm in Fort Mississauga, which is right across from Fort Niagara. So they can see each other and keep tabs on each other. But that was during the War of 1812, 1814, long time ago. Fort Niagara is much larger than Fort Mississauga, where I am, and even larger than Fort George, which is down the river about a mile or two.